drunk behind the wheel and speeding at more than 100 miles an hour. That's just some of the testimony revealed in Tyler Henderson's preliminary hearing today. Henderson accused of causing that deadly wreck that killed a police officer.
Our Brendan Kirby was in the courtroom this morning. And Brendan, the judge sending this case to a grand jury.
Yeah, that's right, Lenny and Byron. This is Tyler Henderson walking out of the courtroom after this morning's preliminary hearing. The prosecution laid out its evidence against him and say they have proof that he was drunk and speeding when he crashed into Officer Ivan Lopez's vehicle. Mount Vernon police officer Ivan Lopez was headed south on Highway 59 in Summerdale on August 22nd when prosecutors say a truck driven by Tyler Lee Henderson sped past a stop sign, slamming into Lopez's vehicle. The impact resulted in Lopez's death and severely injured Henderson and a passenger. During testimony Thursday, an Alabama state trooper testified that he saw a large number of beer cans near the wreckage and that a blood sample taken from Henderson indicated he had a .23 blood alcohol content, nearly 3 times the legal limit. An investigator with the Baldwin County Sheriff's Office testified that a man who was with Henderson earlier that day says the defendant had been drinking throughout the day. Investigators say the pickup truck's OnStar system shows that it hit speeds as high as 102 miles an hour within 2 miles of the crash. And the pickup truck's so-called black box indicated that the vehicle was traveling at 86 miles per hour 5 seconds before the crash and 79 miles per hour when it made impact. The speed limit on that road is 45 miles per hour. Baldwin County Chief Assistant District Attorney Teresa Hines says the testimony establishes important facts about Henderson's behavior.
The amount of alcohol that was consumed, the excessive speeds that he was driving at the time, way past double the speed limit, on a county road approaching Highway 59.
Despite how strong the evidence might look at this point, defense attorney John Beck says he's not had an opportunity to examine or challenge any of it yet.
It's not the first time I've had a prelim in my career where the evidence may seem cut and dry. Hearsay is allowed at a preliminary hearing. I don't have access to the documents to look through them myself or to have an expert look through them.
In addition to the murder charge, Henderson faces charges of first-degree assault, driving on a suspended license, and failure to use an ignition interlock device. That was required as part of a deal to resolve a driving under the influence of alcohol charge in Orange Beach. Reporting live from the Fox 10 News Center, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.